Hello, this is Oyekomi Akinola. I'd like to present to you MMM's ideology and how it works. MMM is a global community of financial aid and donation exchange. MMM is a social network that connects the one who wants to donate money with the one who wants to get money. Participants transfer money directly to each other, meaning it is a peer-to-peer system. MMM has no central account. It will not collect your money. Who we are. MMM is in over 138 million, has over 138 million members worldwide. It is in existence in more than 107 countries in the world. MMM is the largest donation exchange network in the world. In 1994, MMM held 1/3 of the entire cash in Russia. It was recently reported that the Bitcoin prices are being driven up just because of MMM. We are a community that builds on helping people become financially free. MMM's ideology. MMM's ideology is about creating a fair financial system where money will no more be an issue. It's about creating a platform where there will be no need to go to banks to borrow money to execute financial projects. Ideology of MMM. The rich are becoming richer and the poor are getting poorer. Reason is global financial system. The modern world is bad. It is inhuman, unfair, and unjust. This is the world of money. It is not for the people. It is for those who produce money, for bankers, for insurance, and financiers. And ordinary people just serve them as attendants and as slaves. They just sweep their palaces. What lies behind the social welfare? Labor. But why does the banker live in 1,000 times better than worker and the peasant? Why does white cattle live better? All of them. Do they work harder? It's nonsense. It's ridiculous to say. They don't even produce anything, no material values. But why? How MMM works. MMM is a community of people providing each other financial help on the principle of gratuitousness, reciprocity, and benevolence. There are few things that are being done on the platform. You provide help and you get help. You cannot get help until you provide help. When you join the system mandates you to first of all provide help, after which, after a period of 30 days, you can get help. Mavro is the internal currency of the system. Mavro amount will start growing from the moment of deposit at the rate of 30% per month. The calculation of interest occurs twice a week, on Tuesdays and Thursdays. This sum in Mavro shows how much you can request yourself. Where does the 30% come from? There is no interest rate in MMM. In MMM, after you donated money, you get rewarded with Mavro. Mavro is an index of your tribute to the development of the community. This index grows at 30% a month. It is just a technical term. Programmers can adjust this growth rate of Mavro at any moment. The amount of Mavro and its growth rate can be decreased, increased, stopped, and cancelled. Benefits. We are offering a mutual aid program with 30% growth per month for your donations. Growth of Mavro per month. Provide help and receive 30% registration bonus. After having registered and making the first donation, the participant receives a bonus in the amount of $20 if you make a donation from $50 to $499. You get $50 if you make a donation from $500 to $2,999. You get a $100 bonus if you make a donation more than $3,000. Referral bonus. You can get 10% from all donations of the participant you invited. Inviting new members from the community is your contribution to its development. Become a manager by finishing the 10 days online school and earn manager's bonus. Managers of MMM community can create their own multi-level structures and get a bonus from each of the donation of every participant in their structure. This is a multi-level bonus. Thus, a manager can have his own leader whose rank is higher than him. Manager's bonus varies depending on the level in the structure. Manager's bonus. You get 5% from first level participant donations, 3% from the second level, 1% from the third level, 0.5% from the fourth level, 0.25% from the fifth level, 0.1% from the sixth level, 0.05% from the seventh level, 0.03% from the eighth level, 0.1% from the next level. There is no venture that is without a risk. You need to be aware of the risk. MMM is a community for peer-to-peer money exchange. Thus, MMM only redistributes money between its participants, connecting a donator to a participant. Therefore, in order that the mutual aid process may be beneficial and not be stopped, the number of participants donating money should generally increase. The community constantly works to improve the reliability of the mechanism of mutual assistance. However, it may happen that those who have donated money will not receive help back. Therefore, it is advisable that you donate only your spare money. However, for many years of operation, we have had proving the system's reliability, and MMM have implemented various mechanisms to make donation exchange process more stable and beneficial. MMM rules for safe participation. Rule number 1, do not have multiple accounts. You can always provide help as many times as you want with one MMM account. Penalty, all accounts will be permanently blocked. You will be banned. Rule number 2, do not share email or bank details with other members. Penalty, you will all be blocked from getting help until you give identity proof. Rule number 3, do not delay in paying for your order. Penalty, you will be blocked. Rule number 4, do not edit your banking details or change password less than 15 days before getting help. Penalty, your get help will be delayed for 14 days. Rule number 5, do not click on the I refuse to make payment button for more than once a month. Penalty, you will be blocked. Rule number 6, do not make deposits and fail to attach proof of payment. Penalty, you will be blocked. Rule number 7, do not fail to confirm your payment. Penalty, you will be blocked. Rule number 8, do not allow your family member to provide help more than you. If they have more than the amount you provide help to donate, let them do it through your PO or tell them to register through your guidance link. Penalty, you will be blocked. Rule number 9, always remember to write your letter of happiness after every get help withdrawal. Maximum days to write it after your GH is 3 days. Penalty, you will be blocked. Together, we change the world.